Today I am going to teach you transformation of sentences. Affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative means positive. Now if I give you positive sentence, then you have to convert into negative sentence. If I give you negative sentence, then you have to convert into positive sentence, means affirmative sentence. But remember one thing, that meaning should not be changed. If you change the meaning, then the sentence will be wrong. Keep in the mind this thing. These are the sentences which are very tricky. Let us see some sentences. First is, nobody was absent. Now, how will you recognize that this sentence is positive or negative? So generally, in negative sentence, you can see the words like no, not, nobody, these type of words. If you see these type of words in any sentence, then you can say that it is negative sentence. Here the word nobody suggests that it is negative sentence. Now we have to convert into positive sentence, but without changing the meaning. Nobody was absent. Think about the sentence. What can be the answer? Then the answer can be nobody was absent. If you repeat this sentence 2-3 times in your mind, then perhaps you can understand and you can get some hint. Nobody was absent. That means everybody was present. Now you just compare both sentences. First is negative, second is affirmative or positive. In both sentences, the meaning is changed. Meaning does not change, Meaning is saved. There is no changing in the meaning. Nobody was absent. That means everybody was present. Meaning is same. There is no any changeness in the meaning. In the same, if I give you positive, convert negative. If I give negative, convert positive. Okay. Where there is smoke, there is fire. Now first you just decide which type of sentence, positive or negative. This is because there is no the words like no, not, nobody. Such words are not there. That means this is positive sentence. Where there is smoke, now you just try to understand what is the meaning of the sentence. If you understand the meaning, then you can get the light or hint to write the answer. Where there is smoke, there is fire. Now we have to convert into negative, but without changing the meaning. The answer should be like this. Where there is smoke, there is fire. There is no smoke without fire. This is affirmative, positive. I hope you understand. He is sometimes foolish. He is sometimes foolish. Read the sentence 2-3 times, then you can get the essence or real meaning of the sentence. This is first you decide which type of sentence, positive or negative. It is positive sentence because the words like no, not, nobody are not here. So we have to convert into negative, but without changing the meaning. He is sometimes foolish. He is not always wise. Wise means intelligent, clever, etc. meaning. He is sometimes foolish. He is not always wise. Meaning is same. There is no man who does not make mistakes sometimes. Read the sentence 2-3 times. There is no man who does not make mistakes sometimes. First you check which type of sentence, positive or negative. It is negative sentence. Why? Because the word no is here. So we have to convert into positive but without changing the meaning. So the answer should be like this. Every man makes mistakes sometimes. Every man makes mistakes sometimes. Now you just compare both sentences. Meaning is same. I do not care what he says about me. Do not care. Don't. That means negative. So we have to convert into positive. I do not care means I care a little. You can use this type of words. A little, this type of words. I care a little what he says about me. Another sentence is also like this, like previous sentence. I am not a little tired. Not a little tired. Read the sentence 2-3 times. I am not a little tired. What is the meaning of that? That means I am very tired. So this is about affirmative and negative sentences. I hope you understand this topic.